First up is our legacy's Camion, mule. The Swedish brand, beloved for its transcendent sweaters and other irreverent fashions, has never shied away from its more eccentric tendencies, and that is especially true for this summer-ready shoe. The open-heeled shoe is an international delight. It comes complete with an Italian buckle strap, a sturdy and made in USA Vibram outsole, and a midsole made of German leather. Not to mention that raised heel. This is as advanced level of a summertime shoe as it gets, fitting for both an Italian disco hall or the concrete streets of Soho. $465. Our legacy next is the 1000 shoe from the Italian label Sunne. Sunne, much like our legacy, has never been content to color inside the lines, and this futuristic-looking shoe keeps that same energy. The lightweight slip-on is made from technical fabric and is beefed up for extra support at the toe, side, and heel. The stretchy material makes for a shoe that fits like a glove. The silhouette is covered in tiny rubber studs, a little like if Dippin' Dots were on the mood board. It also comes in a whole bunch of colors, from swirls of candy pink and blue to navy and neon green. $522. Sunne if a heeled white leather mule and a track shoe gone mad feel a little too eccentric for your taste, don't worry. The summer's only starting. Just know that things are probably going to get a whole lot weirder in the fashion space before they get plainer. So make the most of it. Summer is almost here, and the footwear is marvelous.